Alright, so pictured here we have my ePortfolio. Uh, there's a couple things that I want to explain, and I wanted to make a video about this so you can actually see how my video website is set up, or my ePortfolio is set up. It does contain a lot of videos, so I wanted to give a brief overview of the best way to operate this, or not maybe the best way, but give you the information on how it's going to really work. Now, here you see we have a video, and this is contained within my ePortfolio. So, if I want to sit here and watch it, I can sit there and watch it on my ePortfolio, and it plays it within the ePortfolio. And you can read it a little bit. I mean, pretty clearly. It says 3 main lines of defense. Click on the castle wall. Castle walls blood. So I'm going to pause this so I'm not talking over myself. So that's one way you can play the video. Now if I go back to playing it, I'm going to turn the volume down so I'm not talking over myself. But as it's playing, if you put your hand back over, scroll the mouse back over it, you can see that the hand comes back. Over here it's an arrow, there it's a hand. That means I can click on it again. So when I do that, I click on it, and it brings it out to the YouTube website, where you can watch it in a little bit larger screen, kind of enhance your viewing pleasure. Now, if you're familiar with YouTube, you know that down here you can click on this to be able to view it in full screen. I don't suggest that because that is not a guaranteed way of doing things from YouTube. If you'd like to attempt it, you may. If you click on that and get into a full screen and realize that it's not playing it properly, you just hit escape and it brings you right back to this screen. This is the screen that I recommend watching it in. So I'm going to go ahead and close this out. Now, there's something else I want to show real quick. Here we have some pictures that I've taken of text and implemented them into my ePortfolio as well. Now, if you, as you notice as I scroll over it, the hand comes up. So that means I can click on it. So I'm going to click on it, and it's going to bring the picture up. So now I've got the picture there, and I can really see when I scroll over it, it's got a plus or minus sign. So that means it's going to make it bigger or smaller. So this, basically is a picture of the page that I've taken from the text. And I can make it a little bit bigger by clicking on it simply. But for instance, like here I have highlighted what I was trying to point out, and this is talking particularly about the bicarbonate juices released from the pancreas. Anyway, I'm going to close that out as well and go back to, actually I'm just going to hit back, and that's what you would need to do. You need to hit back, and that's going to take you to the blog site. Don't hit close out or anything, hit back like I just did, and that's going to bring you right there to that. So that was just a little overview for my ePortfolio, for your viewing pleasure, for your understanding, so that you can maneuver through this and enjoy it, and possibly yourself learn something from it. Enjoy.